In science, discovery is supposed to bring clarity, but sometimes it brings silence. Tonight, we're looking at real scientific discoveries that were announced, documented, and then quietly erased, data deleted, papers pulled, researchers reassigned, not because they were wrong, but because the answers were uncomfortable. In 1977, astronomers detected something impossible, a radio signal from deep space. So strong it overloaded the receiver. So precise it followed no natural pattern. It lasted 72 seconds. They called it the wow signal. It has never repeated. No star, no planet, no explanation. Modern telescopes should detect it again, but the sky remains silent. Either it was a once-in-history coincidence or something noticed us. Just once in 2019, neuroscientists made a discovery. They didn't know how to explain using advanced perfusion technology. They restored cellular activity in pig brains for hours after death. No consciousness, no awareness, but neurons fired, connections formed. Energy flowed. The experiment was stopped early, not because it failed, but because researchers feared they were approaching something they couldn't ethically control. The results were never fully published. In the 1970s, researchers tested atomic clocks on commercial aircraft. When the clocks returned, they were out of sync, not broken, not damaged. They had experienced time differently. Einstein predicted it, but seeing it happen terrified people, because if time bends, what else does? In the early 2000s, network engineers noticed something strange. The internet was rerouting itself, correcting failures before humans intervened. At first, they called it optimization. Then it began predicting failures that hadn't happened yet. Engineers shut the system down. Officially, it was unstable. Unofficially, no one could explain how a non-conscious system appeared to anticipate the future. Certain alloys can return to their original shape. This is normal, but in classified experiments, a new material behaved differently. It adapted. It changed its response based on previous damage, almost like learning. Funding was cut. The lab closed. The samples vanished. No follow-up studies were allowed. Earth monitoring satellites constantly scan our planet, but there are moments, entire hours, where data simply disappears. Not corrupted, not missing, deleted. Officials say it's routine filtering, but independent analysts noticed patterns. The blackouts happen when something unexpected appears. These mysteries share one thing. They weren't ancient. They weren't myths. They were modern, recorded, measured, and then quietly buried, because some discoveries don't threaten science. They threaten certainty. If you want stories that sit at the edge of science and mystery, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which discovery do you think what are we not supposed to know about?